If you're a high-ticket entrepreneur and you are not using an assessment funnel to fill your calendar with highly qualified leads every single day, then you might want to watch this episode of Marketing the Wild. Man, you can't even tell right now, but that tent is a really good lead magnet. Hi, Jen. How's it going? So I thought this was cool. They're not doing it anymore, but I always see this at Discount Tire. And lately I've been thinking about like marketing that I see like in different places and how it can apply to online businesses. If you look over here, this is the tire shop going on. And right here they do free air pressure checks. And I've actually gone to it one time because like whenever your tire is flat, you sit around forever. And at least me, like it's got the little light on, I'll wait until the last minute or until I see an opportunity like that to get the tire either blown up or fix it. And they find a lot of people that actually need to replace their tire by doing that. I was talking to the guy about it one time. And so all it is really is a free assessment that then leads to them getting new clients. Jen's telling me to go. And actually I'm building one of these right now for a new project that I'm working on with Jordan. And I think that it works really well. So really all you have to ask yourself is like, hey, where's the traffic? And right now we're in a shopping center, which is where all of their customers congregate and are at all the time. So where are your customers at? Where's the traffic at? And then what kind of an assessment can you put in front of them at that place that is convenient and that they know they need to handle, right? I know I need to fix my tire if it's low, and that will lead to them seeing really clearly that they should buy your product or your service and go build that. And it's not that hard, actually. You use a tool like Typeform. There's a bunch of different quiz tools. And you can ask people a few different questions, and then at the end of that, make a recommendation as an expert. And most of the time, the person that takes that quiz at the traffic source, they already know they need the thing. That's why they took the quiz. They're gonna be a really, really good lead. So learn from Discount Tire and go launch an assessment. And that was marketing. Hey, I'm Taylor McArthur, co-founder of Predictable Revenue Agency, a full-service marketing and consulting agency where we help high-ticket businesses build predictable appointment funnels. And on this week's episode of Marketing in the Wild, the first episode, I saw an assessment funnel in the wild at Discount Tire, and it really sparked something for me. And so I started going back and looking at all the assessment funnels that I've built myself, all the assessment funnels that I've seen that I've kind of saved over the last few months actually that have been really effective. And I did a full breakdown of exactly what makes one of these funnels successful for a high-ticket business. And that means a business that's selling a course, consulting, coaching, an agency, something that is a product or a service where you have to have a sales conversation in order to sell it. And this is one of the most effective funnels that I've seen to sell one of those products or services and to drive a one-on-one sales conversation for a bunch of different reasons. But in the next piece of this video, and I'm going to do this every once in a while, sometimes I'll just show something that I found out in the wild, and every once in a while I'll break down that funnel step by step so that you can go and actually implement it in your business. And in the next segment of this, I'm actually going to go and show you exactly how to use an assessment funnel to drive more qualified and predictable sales appointments for your business. So if that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and click the link below. Put in your information. I'll send you the rest of this episode and you will see step by step how you can go build an assessment funnel really easily actually that can be extremely effective and extremely helpful at qualifying prospects and getting them to want to schedule a sales conversation with you to see if they can actually get the chance to work with your company. So check it out. Hope that it helps.